Nagkaroon pala ng crush. Nakalak ko ng perfume na nakakaroon.
Alisa.
Hindi mapasakit. Sige, iba, kadmok lang, diba? Bawo ng bawo. Naman, kuya, hindi na kuya. Diba, dapat ang kuya kaya ang konti mo masturbate. Iba kasi nalawit lang yung paanan nagtatap lang eh. Iba yung talaga naman mo, nakakrosleg na. Talaga naman swing talaga na ako. Diba na lang, makita ka na siya. External ka lang yan. External. So, paano mo lalaman yung ibang sabihin na race? Ano lang ang hindi na totoong na race niya? Kasi ayaw mo, hindi ka na-excite. Pag nagkaroon ng penetration, ang body ng area mo, yan, magkakaroon ng laceration. Kasi kung na-excite siya, kasi mo, there is consent. Walang laceration niya. Kasi yung arousal ng iyong phenolic would then signal the opening of the vagina to dilate, to open further, and accommodate whatever. And then magkakaroon, itong nasa gilid ng vaginal area, yung mga sites na yan, yung Bartholin's gland, nag-secrete ng mucosal fluid for lubrication during intercourse. So, if there is no consent, that is considered a rape. Lubrication, nagkasugat-sugat dyan kasi forceful penetration. That's why you are going to think rape in a medical head-up ka. Kritingan kung meron nga masulat yung banda. Kung wala, ibig sabihin, gusto mo naman. Ang masama nito, kung ginawa yung sa'yo, tulog ka, ang sa'yo. So, paano i-avoid yung penetration? I-expect nyo na yung what mo. Pag na-expect yun, mag-open yan. Kakaroon ng penetration. Paano nga i-explain na na-rape ka? It was done, the sexual intercourse was done, the sexual intercourse was done, without your consent. Tulog eh! Hindi mo kumain na tulog ka, nag-iilig ka kang tulog pala ulit. Diba? So, during intercourse, before it is aroused, the vaginal opening expands to provide them for dilation. And then Bartholin's gland will secrete mucosal fluid so that the sexual contact will not be painful. Although, if it's your first time you come into contact with sexually, nagkakaroon talaga ng feeling. Why? At the end, the terminal end of your vaginal area is on the cervix, on top of the cervix, is a thin covering over the high end. At yung tinamaan, kasi during intercourse, mapupusin yung cervix. Depending on the sobrang. Pag yung tinamaan, tendency is, magagasdas yung hymen, matatanggal, yun yung lalabas na siya. So, cervix, that is the point of entry for what your uterus. Is the uterine canal. Is the starting in the uterus. As you can see, the uterus lies posterior to your urinary bladder. The reason that the urinary bladder here appears to be constricted is because